Hi, today I'm gonna share to you how to make a lesson plan using Chatgpt. So in your web browser, you just have to type Chatgpt open AI and then you enter. After that, you can see this. So you just have to click this one, Chatgpt. Okay, if you can see this, you click try on web. So, how can I help you today? Okay, so you just have to type your question here. Say, for example, sample lesson plan for third, third, I'm sorry, third grade in science subject. And then you click enter. There. So the ChatGPT will give you a sample science lesson plan for third grade. Okay, so this is now the sample lesson plan for third grade. Thank you for watching.